First at 4, a Queen City bank cashing in on the Silicon Valley Bank collapse. Days after two of the largest bank failures in U.S. history, depositors are now scrambling to open accounts elsewhere. One of the top targets is Charlotte-based Bank of America. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here at 4. I'm Morgan Francis. Let's bring in Queen City News Chief Business Correspondent Taylor Young, who has been tracking this story since the beginning of the collapse earlier this week. Taylor, what exactly is going on here?
Yeah, Morgan, following the collapse of both Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, what we were left with was a group of on-edge, fearful customers with no place to put their money. And we aren't just talking about a couple of hundred people here. SVB was the 16th largest bank in the country, and Signature Bank had offices across the country, including here in Charlotte. Now, as of last year, there were more than 4,000 commercial banks recognized by the FDIC. So options when shopping around for a new bank are vast. But what we are seeing is a trend of depositors now gravitating towards either fintech companies or bigger banks, traditional banks that many deem too big to fail. Now, according to Bloomberg, Bank of America has been the top choice. Reports show the bank has brought in more than $15 billion worth of deposits since the collapse of SVB.
They do have a significant California brick and mortar presence. And two, they also are one of the banks that's identified as too big to fail. You cannot have a bank the size of Bank of America with 10% of the nation's deposits fail. You know, it just can't happen.
Now, I did reach out to Bank of America asking about the uptick in deposit levels. A spokesperson with the bank said they do not speak on this outside of quarterly earning reports. We can, however, expect to find out in their next report coming out on April 18th.
I know that's something that's definitely going to be on your calendar, Taylor. So you also spoke with the president and CEO of North Carolina Bankers Association. What did he have to say?
Yeah, he made it a point to say that the North Carolina banking institutions right now, they're in a really good standing. And that's what happened to SBV was a very unique to them. Now, as for deposits, he says money is flowing into every bank he has spoken to, not just Bank of America.